15 male employees or 20 female employees of a company can complete a project in 26 days. So total work equal to 15 male into 26. The same for female. So 20 female into 26. 26 cancel. 5 3s are 5 4s are. Male is to female equal to 4 by 3. How long will 30 male employees and 12 female employees together take to complete the project? 30 male employees plus 12 female employees. So per day they can do 4 works. Female can do 3 works. 120, 36, 156 works per day. Total work divided by works per day. That means work done per day. We will get how many days it will take to complete the project. Total work, I am taking male as an example. So 15 into every male does 4 works a day into 26 days divided by 156. 4 3s are remaining 36. 4 9s are 13 2 times, 13 3 times, 3 5s are 5 into 2, 10 days. The total work will be completed in 10 days. The given question is in the form of A plus B into A minus B. Half means nothing but into 13 plus 15. So A plus B into A minus B is nothing but A square minus B square. Substitute the values. 3 root 2 is A, so 3 root 2 whole square minus 2 square. Close the brackets into 13 plus 15. 3 root 2 whole square means 3 square 9. 3 root 2 whole square equal to 3 into 3 root 2 into root 2. That equal to 9 into 2, 18. So 18 minus 2 square is 4 into 13 plus 15. 18 minus 4, 14. 14 into 13 plus 15. 14 into 13 equal to 182 plus 15. So that equal to 197. See, we will write the formula first. If x plus 1 by x equal to a, then x square by 1 plus x square equal to a square minus 2. X cube by 1 by x cube equal to a cube minus 3a. It is the formula. If x minus 1 by x equal to a, then x square plus 1 by x square equal to a square plus 2. X cube plus 1 by x cube equal to a cube plus 3a. So these are the formulas relating to algebra. Now we can just simply substitute the formulas. They have given a. So we need to find a square minus 2. A is 9. So 9 square minus 2. That equal to 81 minus 2. Answer is 79. If x square y square plus 1 by x square y square equal to 83. Xy minus 1 by xy. See, they both are similar only. It is in the form of x minus 1 by x. It is in the form of x square by 1 plus x square. If x minus 1 by x equal to a, then x square plus 1 by x square equal to a square plus 2. So we know a square plus 2 equal to 83. Then a square equal to 83 minus 2, 81. So a equal to square root of 81. That is nothing but 9. The answer is 9. Root 3 power n equal to 729. So squaring on both sides we get 3 power n equal to 729 into 729. 729 is nothing but 9 cube. 9 cube into 9 cube equal to 9 power 6. 9 power 6 is nothing but 3 square into power 6. That means 3 power 2 into 6. That equal to 3 power 12. So 3 power n equal to 3 power 12. N equal to 12. that is a power n equal to a power m, then n equal to m. This is the formula. So cyclic trapezium is nothing but a trapezium formed inside a circle. Center of the circle, PQ is the diameter. So PQ is the diameter. RS is parallel to PQ. So we have to draw the parallel line PQ RS. So PQRS is a trapezium. They have given us QPR. So this angle is 40 degree. Any angle formed with the diameter as a base inside a circle will always be 90 degree. So a triangle is 180 degree. We know the remaining two angles. We can find the other angle by subtracting the remaining two angles. 180 minus 40 minus 90 equal to 50 degree. So we know Q equal to 50 degree now. In trapezium, the opposite sides are always 180 degree. So that means angle SC will be 180 minus 50 degree, that equal to 130 degree. The HCF of two numbers is 6 and their LCM is 84. If one of these number is 42, then the second number is. The formula is product of two numbers equal to LCM into HCF of two numbers. So product of two numbers, we know one number is 42. So I am taking second number as A. LCM is 84, HCF is 6. 42 twos are, then A equal to 12. So the second number is 12. When a small number divides a larger number, we get a quotient of 6 and a remainder of 5. The formula will be dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So I am taking the small number as x, large number as y. When we divide the larger number with the small number, we get a quotient of 6. So quotient is 6, remainder is 5. It is the dividend, the divisor, quotient. This is the remainder. So now they want us to find the smaller number. Find the smaller number. They have given the difference between two numbers is 1540. Large number minus small number equal to 1540. So with this formula, we can write an equation y equal to 6 into x, 6x plus 5. So we can write it as y minus 6x equal to 5. So we have two equations now, y minus 6x equal to 5. This is equation 1, equation 2. Solving two equations, we will get x value. So y cancel, 6x minus x, 5x, 1540 minus 5, 1535, x equal to 307. The small number is 307. Small number is 307. X is the small number and y is the large number. If tan theta plus cot theta equal to 5, then the value of tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 tan square 60 degree is. What is the relationship between tan theta and cot theta? Tan theta equal to 1 by cot theta. So we can write it as tan theta plus cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. 1 by tan theta equal to 5. So this is nothing but x plus 1 by x equal to 5. So we can write the same as x square plus 1 by x square. Tan 60 is nothing but root 3 plus 2 into root 3 whole square. So we know that x plus 1 by x equal to 5. So x square plus 1 by x square equal to 5 square minus 2. That is 25 minus 2, 23. Substitute the value here. 23 plus 2 into root 3 whole square. Root 3 whole square is nothing but 3. 2 into 3, 6. 23 plus 6 equal to 29. Harish and Bimal can complete a task in 20 days. They worked at it for 15 days and then Bimal left. So that means Harish and Bimal can complete a task in 20 days. But they have completed the work for 15 days only. So that means total work is, so how much percentage they have completed, that will be 15 by 20, that equal to 3 by 4. So they have completed only 3/4 of the work and Bimal left. So Harish was alone. The remaining work will be 1 minus 3/4, that equal to 1/4. So work for 1/4 of the work Harish alone completed in 10 days. So one work will be completed in 10 into 4, 40 days. So Harish alone can complete the whole work in 40 days. Whole work is nothing but 1. There is a carpet of length 25 by 2 meter. How many small pieces of carpet each of length 4 1 by 2 meter can be cut off of it? So we can write it as 25 by 2 equal to how many small pieces of carpet? We don't know how many, so I am writing it as n into each of length 4 1 by 2. 2 into 20, 40, 40 plus 5, 45. 45 by 2 equal to n into 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 9, 9 by 2. 2 2 cancel, 9 5, n equal to 5. So it can be cut into 5 small pieces. The ratio of the number of females to that of the male employees in a small company is 2:3. Female is to male equal to 2:3. If the number of male employees in the company is 90, then the total number of employees is, so that means males is 90, that means into 30. So females same into 30, it will be 2 into 30, 60. Total is 150. So I'm writing the formula first, then I will explain the question. Sin A equal to cos B, then A plus B equal to 90 degree. So that means sin A by cos B equal to 1. Here also A plus B equal to 90 degree only. So it is in the form of sin A by cos A plus cos A by sin A, 90 degree. So these both are 90 degree. We can write sin 23 divided by cos 63 is nothing but we can write it as sin 23 plus cos 71. We can write sin 19 as cos 71. You can change both the values to cos, either cos or sin, your wish. Upon cancelling, 1 plus 1, that equal to 2. The value of 15 into 14 minus 30 plus 3 square plus 17 is 15 into 14, 210 minus 30 plus 3 square means 9, 9 plus 17, 26. Minus 30 plus 26 minus 4, 210 minus 4, 206. The sum of two numbers is 25 and the difference is 15. The ratio of the number is sum of two numbers. I am taking A and B as numbers. So A plus B equal to 25 and their difference A minus B equal to 15. B cancel. 2A equal to 40. A equal to 20. Substitute in either of the equation. I am substituting in the first equation. So 20 plus B equal to 25. B equal to 5. So A by B equal to 20 by 5, that equal to 4 by 1. The marks obtained by 7 students in a class in mathematics are 43, 44, 65, 41, 53, 65 and 62. So they asked us to find the mode. Mode is nothing but the most repetitive number. Most repeated number. Median means the middle term. Mean means average. So in the given question, only 65 is repeated twice. So the answer will be 65. If the ratio of two numbers is 3:5 and their LCM is 120, then the numbers are. I am taking the HCF as x. Then the numbers will be 3x, 5x. So we know the formula, product of numbers equal to LCM into HCF. So we know the product of numbers, that is 3x into 5x, that equal to LCM into HCF. LCM is 120, HCF is x. X cancel. 5 2s are 5 4s are 3 8s are x equal to 8. So then the numbers will be 3x. 3 into 8 24, 5 into 8 40. So the answer is 24, 40. 27% of 250 minus 0.02% of 1000 is equal to. We can write 27% as 27 by 100. Half means into 250 minus 0.02 is nothing but 2 by 100. They have given percentage. Percentage means 1 by 100. Half inch into 1000. Cancel the zeros, both zeros. So the denominator will be same. So take 100 as a denominator. The number is huge. So I'm cancelling another 0, another 0, another 0, another 0. So 27 into 25 is nothing but 675. 675 minus 2, that equal to 673 by 100. 10. Since we have cancelled 1 0, 673 by 10, that equal to 67.3. The answer is 67.3. The capacity of a cylindrical tank is 2376 meter cube. If the radius of a tank is 21 meter, then the depth of the tank is. So they have given the radius. Depth is nothing but height. Capacity is nothing but volume. Volume of a cylinder equal to pi r square h. So they have given the value 2376. By substituting the values, we will get the height. Pi equal to 22 by 7. R is nothing but 21 into 21 into h, 2376. So 7 3s are 3 7s are 21, remaining 27, 9, 2. 3 7s are 3 2s are 6, remaining 1, 19. 3 6 are 18, balance 1, 4. We can substitute. We can cancel with the 22 now. 22 1s are 22, balance 4, 44, 22 rules are 44. So h equal to 14 by 7. Sorry, 12 by 7. So 12 by 7 is nothing but 1.71 meter. In the given option, everything will be greater than 2. Only one option is there, which is less than 2. 7 into 2 is 14. So 12 will be less than 2. The perimeter of two similar triangles PQR and XYZ are 48 and 24 centimeter respectively. If XY equal to 12, then PQ is. So the formula is perimeter of similar triangle PQR divided by XYZ equal to sides. So PQ divided by XY. In case of area, it will be area of a triangle PQR divided by area of a triangle XYZ equal to PQ divided by XY whole square. So it is only applicable for area. The remaining will be equal to only. So perimeter meter. The perimeter of PQR is 48. The perimeter of XYZ is 24. We don't know the PQ, so I am writing PQ only. XY is 12. 12 2s are 24. PQ equal to 24 centimeter. The sum of two numbers is 16. That means A plus B equal to 16. And their product, that means A B equal to 63. So I am taking the two numbers as A and B. The sum of their reciprocals, that means 1 by A plus 1 by B. So we have to find the sum of their reciprocals. Cross multiplying, we will get. We know that A plus B equal to 16, AB equal to 63. The answer is 16 by 63. The angle of elevation of a pole from point which is 20 meter away from the foot of the pole is 45 degree. So this is a pole. The angle of elevation of from a point which is 20 meter away from the foot of the pole. It is 20 meter away from the pole. So this is 45 degree. We have to find the height. So in Pythagoras theorem, we can get tan theta equal to perpendicular side by base. So that equal to h by 20. Tan theta is either here theta equal to 45 degree. So that equal to h by 20. Tan 45 is nothing but 1. 1 equal to h by 20. So that means h equal to 20 meter. So height is 20 meter. Train A running at the speed of 80 km per hour crossed train B running at the speed of 70 km per hour in the opposite direction. Both the trains finished crossing each other in 30 seconds. So the train is running, the both trains are running in opposite direction. So relative speed, if both the trains are running in opposite directions, we have to add same side, we have to subtract. They have given the speed as well as the time. We have to find the distance. Distance is nothing but the length of the train. They have given the length of the train A. So formula is distance by time equal to, okay, distance by speed equal to time. So they have given the time in 30 seconds and the distance in meter. So we have to convert the kilometer into meter per hour. So for converting kilometer per hour into meter per second, we simply do by multiplying with 5 by 18. So the distance is 300 meter plus length of the train B. I am assuming it as x divided by speed s. Relative speed, since it is opposite direction, we have to add both sides. So 150 kilometer per hour. We have to convert it into meter per second. So we have to multiply it by 5 by 18. That equal to time. Time is 30 seconds. 300 plus x equal to 30 into 125 divided by 3. 3 tens are. So x equal to 1250 minus 300. X equal to 950 meter. X equal to 950 meter. A mango kept in a basket doubles every 1 minute. If the basket gets completely filled by mangoes in 30 minutes, then in how many minutes half of the basket was filled? So suppose it is half of the basket. Suppose assuming x. So half of the basket will be filled in x minutes. It can be completely filled by mangoes in 30 minutes. So this is total. For every 1 minute, it doubles every 1 minute. So that means for x minutes it is half filled. Then x plus 1 minute, it will become completely filled. X plus 1 is nothing but 30 minutes. X equal to 29 minutes. So 29 minutes it will take to complete half of the basket. A class has 48 students on a specific day. Only 38 of the students were present. The number of absentees on the same day would be. See, a class has 48 students. Only 3 by 8 of the students were present. So into 3 by 8, 6. So 18 students were present. Total strength is 48. 18 students are present. So the remaining students are absent. The difference between simple interest and compound interest on 5,000 at the rate of 10% per annum for 3 years is simple interest equal to PNR by 100. P equal to principal, N equal to time period, R equal to rate of interest. So that equal to 5,000 into 3 years into 10 by 100. 0 0 cancel. 3 5s are 15, 2 zeros, so that will be 1500 simple interest for 3 years. So for compound interest, for one compound interest will be accumulated every year. So for the first year it is 10%, that means 500 for first year. In second year the interest will be 500 and 5,000, but we have to also calculate interest on interest. 500, 10% on 500 is 50. For the third year the interest on 5,000 is 500. So we have to calculate the interest on previous years also. 500 into 10%, 50. 500 into 10%, 50. 50 into 10%, 5. So the total interest 1500, 100, 50, 5. 1655. So 1065, 655 is compound interest. Simple interest is 1500. So the difference is 155. In a school, 60% of the students passed in an examination. If the number of failed candidates is 240, then the number of candidates that have passed is. See, in a student, suppose there is 100% students. I am directly taking it as a percentage instead of numbers. So 60% pass, 40% failed. So the failed students is 240. The pass students is 40 into 6, 240. So the same will be applied here. 60 into 6, 360. So 360 students have passed. Bank provides a loan at the rate of 5% per annum to a trader on an amount of 12,50,000 for 5 years. We have to compute the simple interest. Simple interest equal to principal into time period n into rate divided by 100. Principal equal to 12,50,000 into 5 years into 5 by 100 rate of interest. 0 0 cancel. 25 into 125 equal to 3125. A businessman purchases 20 articles whose cost is equal to the selling price of 15 articles. That means cost price of 20 articles is equal to selling price of 15 articles. 5 4s are 5 3s are. Cost price by selling price equal to 3 divided by 4. The cost price is 3. The selling price is 4. Profit is nothing but sales price minus cost price, that equal to plus 1. That means profit. So profit percentage. How can we calculate profit percentage? Simply by profit divided by cost price, that equal to 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is nothing but 13.33% profit. The value of 0.27 square minus 0.13 square divided by 0.27 plus 0.13. So it is in the form of a square minus b square divided by a plus b. A square minus b square is nothing but a plus b into a minus b. A plus b cancel. Here a is 0.27, b is 0.13. 0.27 minus 0.13 is nothing but 0.14. The answer is 0.1.